Welcome back. This is Nefertari and Kinjay with your Week 10 Distance Learning lesson. This is Lesson 47. From today's video, we will review the resources and materials you'll need, provide an overview of the learning, model the reading, thinking, speaking, and writing required for the lesson, and provide a preview of tomorrow's lesson. In our last lesson, we looked at some of the claims and evaluated evidence. Today, we'll go one step further by applying information to the text. After you complete every day's lesson, remember to share your learning with a family member, complete the weekly fluency activity, and do at least 20 minutes of additional reading. Here's our riddle. What has 5 eyes but cannot see? 5 eyes? Let's see. The Mississippi River. It has 5 eyes. Mississippi River. A beautiful river indeed. Now, in terms of the lesson materials we need, we are in Lesson 47. You will need the note catcher, which can be found on page 132. We can go back and reread the text on pages 123 and 124. You'll also need a pencil. The focus for this week are these 2 guiding questions. Do we determine our own destinies? And do we have to accept our destinies? Here's our lesson target. I can apply information in a nonfiction text. And today we're going to reread this article, and we'll consider how the guiding questions apply to the article. That's what we'll think about. We'll talk with our family member, caregiver, or friend about this article, and then all that reading, thinking, and talking will prepare us for writing. Here's what we think about today. As we think about this article more closely, we will consider how the article addresses our guiding questions, which are both on the topic of destiny. Let's quickly model and close read paragraph 4. Before that time, young people sometimes take risks that seem silly or dangerous to adults. Some research seems to indicate that this risk-taking is like a dress rehearsal for real danger. Since our brains learn from experience, we take risks when we're young to learn how to make good decisions when circumstances get really serious. According to this paragraph, young people sometimes take risks because their brain is preparing for more serious situations later on in life. When we consider how that applies to our guiding questions about destiny, we know that young people definitely have control over their own destinies because they're risk takers. We'll finish up our lesson with talking and then writing. First, talking. With your family member, caregiver, or friend, talk about this article and ask them this question. When a young person makes a decision, who is really in control? What do you think? And why do you think so? Now that you've thought and talked about our guiding questions, let's write our response to this question. Do young people determine their own destinies? Use evidence from the article to support your claim. As always, if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your ELA teachers. Email them for support. Here's our learning for tomorrow. In Lesson 48, we will draw conclusions about how an idea is addressed across different texts. Thanks for learning with me today. Don't forget to talk about your lesson with someone. Read for 20 minutes today and practice your reading fluency. I look forward to teaching you again soon. Thanks. Bye.